The greatest to ever do it. The richest, the busiest.
More guys and all this Martin, welcome back to the voice update. So guys, like I said before, the beef and competition between Davido, Burna Boy and Wizkid is not ending anytime soon. Yesterday I shared a video for you guys when Burna Boy was actually throwing shade on Davido after buying the cyber truck for his best friend. Burna Boy say no be show, then say they buy cyber truck, we never see and made the show work is. Burna Boy was actually referring to Davido. Let's take a look at the moment Burna Boy was actually saying that.
My cyber truck will come out tomorrow.
Oh my god, oh my god.
And then they escalate.
Church say they get cyber truck, we never see.
We never see them. They don't show working. Now show me the plan.
So guys, after this particular video of Burna Boy throwing shade on Davido yesterday, Chief Priest and Davido don't reply and send a very strong message to Burna Boy. Chief Priest was spotted praising and hailing Davido, calling Davido the 001 and the richest in Africa as they throw more light and throw more shade on Davido. So guys, here's the video. Tell me what you think at the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.
Chirps. 001. The greatest to ever do it. The richest, the busiest. 2025.
New album, new everything.
Oh.
New cars again.
No. Jets. They can't go there. Jets. Church say they get cyber truck, we never see.
We never see them. They don't show working. Now show me the flyers like this. Now don't go.
Boy, this is my blood clot, take one side. I'm in a synagogue in that rifle that was I'm a flying drop, high impact, guns in it, driving stop, I'm flying flat, and everything.
My cyber truck will come out tomorrow.
Oh my god, oh my god.
And then they escalate.
Oh my god.
And then think about what to do next year.
I'm telling you, bro, make the one where we do calm down small. Like you said.